Welcome to Infobot 19 channel. Today we are going to see one tiffin recipe which is masala neer dosa. So neer dosa is a very popular breakfast recipe in Karnataka state. So in this neer dosa recipe we are going to give some twist and we are going to make it in masala neer dosa version. So it is very easy, very simple, and there are many foodies out there who watch my channel. So I think it's a big treat for all of you guys. Surely you all need to give it a try. For making this neer dosa, I have taken here 1 cup of raw rice. So take 1 cup of raw rice, wash it in water 2 to 3 times, and then this rice you can soak it overnight. So tomorrow morning if you are making any breakfast, so night time you can soak this rice. So this rice wash water, as I say always, it's very precious rice water. Use it for your plants, or even you can use it as a skin toner. So please use it wisely. So the next day morning, the rice also got soaked nicely. So we are going to prepare the masala for this. So for preparing this masala, in a pan, just take half a tablespoon of oil. Any oil would be fine. So in that oil, you can add half a tablespoon of jeera, 1 tablespoon of chana dal. I have taken here this Kashmiri red chili 3 to 4 numbers. So this Kashmiri red chili, it gives some nice color, but it will not be very spicy. So we don't need the recipe to be more spicy. We need the mild spiciness. Just fry it well. You need to add 1 tablespoon of coriander or dhania seeds as well. Since I don't have coriander seeds, I am going to directly add the coriander powder. So if you have coriander seeds, you can just add 1 tablespoon and you can continue frying. Once it gets fried nicely, you can just add 2 to 3 tablespoons of coconut. You can either add grated coconut or you can cut into small pieces and you can add. Just fry it well till it becomes nice golden color and till the nice aroma comes. So once everything gets fried nicely, you can add curry leaf, some 3 to 4 curry leaves you can add, so that gives more flavor as well. Once it gets fried well, just keep it aside for cooling. Now in a mixture jar, take this rice, soaked rice. Don't add water at the beginning stage itself, otherwise it will not get grinded easily. So just give it a pulse and slowly add water little by little, and then we need to grind it to a fine paste. The batter should be very soft. So now once the rice batter is ready, we are going to add turmeric powder half a tablespoon and coriander powder 1 tablespoon. In case if you are frying the coriander seeds, you can skip this coriander powder addition. Now whatever the masala we have grinded, that also you can add in the mixer jar and you can grind it to a smooth paste. You can add salt as per taste and half a tablespoon of hing. So once it gets grinded nicely, so this is how the consistency should be. It should be very smooth paste texture should be there. Transfer into a bowl. Now we are going to add water as per the requirement. Now add water slowly and you just adjust the consistency. Generally the neer dosa will be having more watery consistency. In video you are seeing till this level we need to add water and we need to keep it ready. Now just take a pan. You don't need to apply oil or anything. Just take a ladle of this neer dosa batter and then you can pour it like how we do for rava dosa. Like that you need to pour it well. Ensure that it shouldn't be more thick, it should be thin. Then only it will become crispier and it will be very tasty. I have added here half a tablespoon of oil. So if you don't need oil, you can skip this step. Even without oil, it comes out nicely. If you're giving it for kids, you can just add half a tablespoon of ghee. Now if you see the holes, you can see it start coming on the top. So that's how it is getting cooked nicely, and our batter also is very good. So once it gets cooked completely, you can just don't turn it, just fold it into a triangle shape. That's how the neer dosa serving would be. Just use the remaining batter and keep doing the same process. You can serve with the coconut chutney. It's going to be super tasty. Surely you all need to give it a try. If you like my video, subscribe to my YouTube channel and share with your friends and family. Be happy, stay positive and spread the positivity to everybody. Thanks for watching.